It's better to check your radio when you start a shift than to find out there's a problem when you need to use it. A radio check starts with the checking of the condition of the radio to make sure there's no damage on the housing, buttons, aerial or battery. Then turn it on and make sure it loads up and the display shows it's ready to use. Then carefully check the battery levels to ensure you have enough power to use the radio on your shift. Then you'll need to make a test call to control to check the functions of the radio and confirms to control your call sign. The International Telecommunication Union, or ITU, dictates the standard of reporting signal readability strength and tone. This system for HF operation has 3 scales, 1 to 5 for readability, 1 to 9 for strength, and tone. The tone report doesn't apply in the case of voice transmission. This is only used in Morse code. When the radio check is made, it's carried out close to control and the receiving station informs the other station of the signal strength being heard. This is done using a standard scale. With readability, the scale is 1 to 5. 1, unreadable. 2, barely readable, some words now and then. 3, readable with considerable difficulty. 4, readable with practically no difficulty. 5, perfectly readable, loud and clear. With signal strength, the scale is 1 to 9. 1, faint signals. 2, very weak signals. 3, weak signals. 4, fair signals. 5, fairly good signals. 6, good signals. 7, moderately strong signals. 8, strong signals. And finally 9, extremely strong signals. If there are any issues, then these need to be sorted before the shift. As this test is done close to control, the figures should be all good.